Okay. I'm reviewing June 7, 2024. SPY. What happened on Friday? For Friday trading, I would say it was pretty awesome. Either for both sides, either being bulls or being bears. Even you go long, go short, you were able to make profit on Friday. Friday is a perfect day for both sides. Look at what happened in the morning. Morning, it will gap down, right? And based on what I said on Thursday, I said below we got support. 5 day, 10 day, 20 day. Most likely it wouldn't go below 5 day moving average. I said 5 day should be a great support. It did. It hit almost close to 5 day, and then had a it went up all the way to new high on Friday. Let's look at smaller time frame here, and also let's before doing that, look at daily chart. I said look for divergence. Divergence most likely is forming, right? Not complete yet, but it's getting there. Be patient. Wait for a few more days for the divergence completely completed. Okay, let's look at what happened. It gap down for Friday and then fill the gap. So this is a typical bottom. Look at it, right? When we see trading like this type of pattern, either it break up or break down. Always two-way to do it. So this one break up, break down, break up. So once it break above, let's be clear, break above this line here, pretty much you should go. If you have short, you should either cut loss or hedge it. From that point on, went all the way up. We got lots of then the second thing, we need to identify patterns, right? We got lots of patterns here. Look at it. Look at it. Nice pattern, right? Nice rising channel. Looks at bullish channel here. Look at it. This bullish channel, I always say either this channel either come down or keep going up. Since above 200 moving average on 1 minute, even on 2 minute time frame too. So it should had a breakout above and crazy up move, right? And then new high. I believe this one here is tested the futures overnight high right here. At this point, it tested the futures overnight high. That's why it went up there. Tested, it failed. Look at this pattern here, another pattern. We have a channel, and then we have a crazy, exhaustion move. Every time we see like this, pretty much 100%, I would say 99%, it will pull back. So it did, and a nice channel, nice falling, wedge. So from now and then it hit this one, the 200 moving average got support, and then we build another channel here. What a day. Let's look at what happened. Why this one fall? Why this one fall? Interesting. Let me show you something. Hopefully you see what I see. Because doing trading. Okay, let's look at the left hand side. Where is it? It's RSP. Oh, let me get it right. Okay, look at RSP, the left hand side. Right hand side is SPY. Where's RSP? RSP is a S&P 500 equal weight ETF. Okay, it's different than SPY. SPY is not equal weight. So you want to know exactly what's in the S&P 500 equal weight. Do some research, do some study yourself. Okay, it's the same, except S&P 500 equal weight for RSP. Look at the chart here. When we got peak, yeah. When RSP got the peak, yes. SPY got the peak also, right? But if you look at the second time, SPY got the second peak, new high again, got new high again, right? Just, around noon, I think 1:30 around here, another peak. Look at the RSP. It's right here. It didn't catch up. That means most stocks didn't follow. This is a divergence. First signal here. This is a divergence, pretty obvious. When SPY got new high versus RSP didn't get new high. Okay, this is divergence. Can you see it? This is the first signal. Let's have look at the second one to confirm it. Look at this one here. SPY 5-minute chart here. We got new high on the price action. But look at the MACD, lower low, right? It's pretty obvious. This angle divergence. It looks scary when there was a new high. But, risk rewards, sounds good at that point. Shouldn't you open your short position? And look at it. And then after new high, there's no follow through, right? Always look for follow through here. This is time. A breakout, and then nice. I would say, either going long, going short, you still be able to make profit on Friday. But anyway, it's something, interesting to point out in the real life trading. That's what happened on Friday. The rest, simple. Now the rest is like this. Okay, it's forming like a wedge triangle pennant. Okay, now let's wait for the breakout. Either break down or go back up on Monday. So which way it will go, don't know yet. But it looks like, it wants to go further down before Wednesday Fed meeting. Let's see if that will happen. Maybe Fed meeting will turn around. And also, don't forget, let's look at daily chart, Monday trading. Daily chart, based on the 3-bar rule, right? 3-bar rule. This candlestick bar must close below 3-bar ago low. 3 bars low ago. So it's not happening. That means still not bullish. The trend is still bullish, intact. So don't be so bearish. Even it falls on Monday, don't be so bearish. On Monday we still have 5-day, 10-day, 20-day moving averages support. Most likely it will test 10-day moving average on Monday. It probably will go down a little bit more. Look at 30-minute chart on the right hand side. Right, looks like this the 5-day moving average. Wait, I'm sorry, the 5 moving average on 30-minute will cross 20 moving average. That means probably will a selling pressure a little bit on Monday, and then we got support here on 50 moving average on 30-minute. So most likely hit here and then bounce. Okay, so 10-day moving average on the daily chart should be a major support. Also, unless it cut through it, you never know. But anyway, so be careful. Don't be so bearish, but don't wait for the market open to look at it. See what the market will give us. Also look at the SPY 5-minute. Looks like the 50 wants to cross below 200 moving average on 5-minute. If this is going to happen, that means the market price action should push further down. Let's see how deep it will go down before it settles. And also my favorite strategy on 1 minute, right? My daily favorite strategy is 50 moving average always cross above or below 200 moving average at least once a day. So now it's trading below 200. So be patient on Monday. If it gap down on Monday, maybe look for a bottom and look for an entry. Look for a bottom and entry on Monday. Hopefully it will gap down on Monday. If it gaps down, most likely it will be right here, probably right here. This should be support, and this one too, 10-day moving average support. Okay. Trading should be simple, shouldn't be too complicated. First of all, you need to identify pattern. Always identify pattern. When you see pattern, that means the market will have a decision time to change the pattern. Always, when we see pattern, has to change it. Either go up more or go down. Always. Okay, look at the Dow Jones. Now Dow Jones stopped here at the 50-day moving average, and we got support the 5-day moving average. Dow Jones. Let's see, the 5-day, 50-day, 10-day will hold. Will be some good support here. Let's see the Dow Jones smaller time frame. Oh, okay. Okay, anything interesting. And this one again for the not to mention. I don't want to say anything about this one. How about VIX? Look at the VIX here, the daily chart. Right, look at daily chart here. 5-day moving average cross below 10, 20-day moving averages already. So most likely on Monday or Tuesday, 10-day will cross below 20-day moving averages. It happens either going further down or forming a divergence. Okay, go further down or form a divergence. So watch out for the VIX. It's very interesting. So when the VIX going down, that means the stock market will go up or sideways. So don't be so bearish. Even it seems like falling, we still got lots of support on the SPY chart below until it breaks all the supports. Then to decide it is bearish or still bullish. Thanks for watching the video. Good luck on your trading. Goodbye.